Metal lathe hack number 7, and something you can do with larger chucks and holding small work. One method is, this is a 6-jaw chuck. This is a buck chuck. This is a Just True chuck. It's an older model one, but I got it. It was basically brand new. It was probably never used. And anyway, this is the smallest diameter I can hold in the chuck with all 6 jaws, 5/8. So what you can do is take out 3 of the jaws. Now it's a scroll chuck, and with all the jaws taken out, I can actually hold 0.205 in there. But this is 1/4 inch, and 1/4 inch, no problem at all. But 205 is the absolute smallest I can hold in here. But this makes a huge difference, being able to use a larger lathe, larger chuck for small work holding. Thanks, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check the notification bell so you can get more helpful tips, especially on the metal lathe.